In this video, you will learn about the LEN function in Excel. It is the most useful formula in Excel, and when it is used along with other functions, it is most useful formula in Excel. So please watch the video till end so you will learn LEN function properly. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel for more useful videos, and you can watch more formulas and functions by clicking on the description link below. So let's start the LEN function in Excel. In LEN function, it will be equal to LEN and your argument will be text. So you can select the text and it will give the result as how many characters in the text. So in Excel I have 5 characters, so it will give the result as 5. Similarly in 1 lakh I have 6 characters, and here you have 11 characters. I can see here it is 1 to 6, but each space is considered as 1 character. I have given each space single space in between so that you can check 6 plus 5 space, so it is considered as 11. Now it also includes your symbols and space. So here LEN will be 3, then 2 symbols and 1 space, total it will be 6. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more useful videos and let us know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.